This video is for educational purposes only. If you have any questions, please send me a message in the comment section below. I use CanClip 237 version for this presentation, but all CanClip versions from 214 and above are installed in exactly the same way. All CanClip software versions above 214 work with dedicated for Renault VCI units, such as in the picture below. It doesn't work with full-chip CanClip. The latest version of the program that works with full-chip CanClip is the 213 version. Create a new folder on the desktop and name it CanClip. Open Windows Security or Antivirus. Open Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Scroll down and click on Add or Remove Exclusions in the Exclusions section. Click on Add Exclusions followed by Folder. Select CanClip folder, which is on your desktop. Of course, if you use another antivirus program, you must add an exclusion to it. If you do not know how to do this, Google how to add an exclusion in your antivirus. I highly recommend uninstalling McAfee from your computer, as it only interferes with the proper functioning of Windows Security or other antiviruses. Download the free version of WinRAR Lab and install it. Copy the CanClip file with the activator and paste it into a folder on your desktop. Extract the CanClip file. Open the extracted CanClip folder. Open Exclusions in Windows Security or your antivirus and press Add an exclusion and select File. Select the activation file. Press Reg File and select Yes and OK. Open the CanClip folder. Scroll down and find the file. Setup, then press it. Install the program. If you see this message, it means that the computer is not connected to the charger. Connect it to the charger and press Yes. The computer will begin to install the program. When the installation is complete, the computer should restart. If after starting your computer, Windows asks you whether you want to install Net Framework 3.5, then install it. After starting the computer, CanClip should complete the program installation by itself. However, if it doesn't, select the setup file in the CanClip folder again. You can delete these files. Customer Portal, Help, and What's New. Open the CanClip program. Accept the license and press Register Me Now. Select No. In the CanClip folder, open the activation file. Copy the serial number of your program and enter it into the activator. Enter as date, 31/12/29, and press Generate. Now enter the key generated by the activator into the CanClip program. If for some reason you cannot open the activator, send me the serial number and I will send you the key. Click OK and accept. You can deselect this tick and press OK. Open the control panel and the device manager. Now connect a diagnostic device between your computer and a car and switch on the ignition. You should see the new device in the device list. Go back to CanClip and press Refresh. You should see the new device in the list. If you do not see it, restart CanClip software. If you have reached this point, congratulations. You have just installed the software.